As the Greater Bengaluru Authority's footpath clearance drive continued across the city, Bengaluru Development Minister Krishna Bairegowda said street vendors were being relocated, not evicted. Reviewing the operation, Gowda said the drive was being carried out in line with the Street Vendors Act and Supreme Court guidelines. He said notices would be issued before action and added that the Apex Court had recognized safe footpaths as a fundamental right. However, several street vendors alleged that the drive was selective and affected their livelihoods. They claimed they had not received any prior notice and said no proper alternative arrangements had been made. Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said the government was relocating vendors to other streets instead of allowing them to operate on major roads. He said nearly 37,000 vendors had registered, around 60,000 had been surveyed, and alternative spaces would be provided. He also claimed legislators across party lines had supported the move. The BJP questioned why the government had not created alternative vending spaces before launching the clearance drive. Meanwhile, the Joint Committee of Street Vendors, comprising 15 organizations, announced a citywide protest against the footpath clearance drive. The committee alleged that nearly 1.2 lakh street vendors could lose their livelihoods due to the operation. It has proposed a protest at Freedom Park and a possible Bengaluru Bandh on July 7th or July 9th and has urged vendors across the city to suspend business in support of the agitation.